If you're following an anti-inflammatory diet, this fits right in. This is a super easy drink to make. Let's get into how I make it. All you need is 3 ingredients: ginger, lemon, honey. First, you're gonna clean your ginger. I like to clean my ginger with a little white vinegar. Then you peel your ginger. It's not necessary for you to peel the ginger once you've given it a good wash. But I think I'm a little quirky because whenever I use ginger root, I always feel as if there's still dirt in the crevices. So I tend to be peeling and scraping. But if you wash it thoroughly, it's not necessary for you to peel it. Then I add this to a blender, add a little water, blend. Then I pour this in a very large pot with 1 gallon of water because I am making a batch amount, which will last me for 2 weeks. My name is Sabrina and I was diagnosed with scar and alopecia. I started following an anti-inflammatory diet, which is helpful because high inflammation is a big struggle for most people who are diagnosed with an autoimmune disease. Give this video a thumbs up if you're getting any value from this video. It'll help my channel a lot and I'll greatly appreciate it. After 30 minutes, you're going to sweeten with honey, and I add 6 lemons, then strain it. And voila, you have a delicious ginger and lemon drink. You can drink this hot or cold. I drink it cold over ice with my meals. I added this mixture with other types of drink as well. For example, I will tip a little bit of this in my orange juice, pineapple juice. If you want to flavor it up some more, you can add it to drinks that you're already drinking daily. The benefit of adding ginger to your diet are endless. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are about this recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.